Hey guys, hi. So today we will check what's in my fridge feature in appliance. So basically I'm gonna look at my refrigerator and pantry, what's available. I'm looking at something which I can do like really quickly, really fast and get some ingredients, punch them into Delishop saying, hey, I have these ingredients, and then it's gonna suggest me some recipe. So let's go. So now here we are in the refrigerator, so check what all ingredients are available. I have garlic, basil leaves, these are mint leaves, I think this is what? Chili and tomatoes. So let's go to appliance and check what recipe we can make. Now that we have seen what all things are available in my refrigerator, pantry, let's go to appliance and check what sort of recipes I can cook. So I have to go to search bar. Then this is called as what's in my fridge. I'll punch in the ingredients that I have. So what do I have? I have kurkure. Then tomatoes. Then I have green chili. So this is like I'm searching individual ingredient and adding them based on what are the ingredients I have. It will suggest me recipes that I can cook. Then I'll add onion. Okay. So now let's see which recipes are available here. I'm looking at like something which I can cook like really quickly. So you'll also see that there are like different recipes. It is like the ingredients that I've punched in, some of them might not be used, but still you can cook a specific recipe. That's why you will see like stuff like this. I got the Kurkure Bhel here, it's like 1 minute. So let's see now. Let's cook Kurkure Bhel. So we'll cook Kurkure Bhel, we'll get the ingredients now. Okay, so let's start the recipe. First I have to add onions, green chili and tomatoes. I have already measured everything, so I'm adding it. These are onions, green chilies, tomatoes. Let's go to the next step. Mint leaves, chaat masala. It's 1 medium spoon chaat masala. Then we go to the next step. Sugar, 1 small spoon sugar. And we have to, now the lid is closed, you see the start button has appeared. I am starting this step. Now that the step is done, we'll move to the next step. We have to add roasted salted peanuts and kurkure. So I'm opening the lid. So we'll basically use the spatula to scrape the jar walls. Then I'm adding salted peanuts and my favorites, kurkure. Then I'll move to the next step. I have to again close the lid and start the step. Okay, you can see the notification that I get when the step is completed. And so our chatpate Kurkure Bhel is ready. So we'll basically pour everything in the bowl. I'm using spatula. Kurkure Bhel is ready. I'm asking Mamta auntie to taste it and let us know how would you like it or not. Please try. Sit back. Bye.